Hello everyone, welcome to this series on important facts about the life and works of famous writers. And this video is the second part on A.K. Ramanujan. Early life and education. A.K. Ramanujan, born on March 16, 1929 in Mysore, India, was a towering figure in Indian literature, renowned for his contributions as a poet, translator, folklorist and scholar. His father, A. Krishnaswamy, was a distinguished astronomer and professor of mathematics at Mysore University, which undoubtedly influenced Ramanujan's intellectual upbringing. Growing up in a multilingual environment, Ramanujan was exposed to Kannada, Tamil, Sanskrit and English, laying the foundation for his later work in both Indian and Western literary traditions. Academic and professional journey. Ramanujan's academic journey was marked by a deep engagement with languages and literature. He earned his BA and MA degrees in English from the University of Mysore and later pursued a PhD in linguistics at Indiana University in the United States. His scholarly interests were vast, encompassing linguistics, cultural studies, and folklore, which he explored through both his teaching and research. In 1962, Ramanujan joined the University of Chicago, where he became a key figure in the development of the South Asian Studies program. His teaching career spanned several prestigious institutions in India and the US, including Harvard University, the University of Wisconsin, and the University of California, Berkeley. Throughout his career, he seamlessly blended his scholarly pursuits with his creative writing, producing a body of work that is both diverse and profound. Contributions to poetry and literature. Ramanujan is often regarded as one of the cornerstones of Indo-American poetry. His poetry, written in both English and Kannada, is characterized by its exploration of immigrant life, the preservation of Indian culture, and a deep engagement with the complexities of identity and tradition. His major poetry collections, including The Striders 1966, Relations 1971, and Selected Poems 1976, have been praised for their originality, succinct expression, and thematic depth. One of his most famous poems, Self-Portrait, reflects the complex interplay between identity and heritage, a recurring theme in his work. I resemble everyone but myself and sometimes see in shop windows, despite the well-known laws of optics, the portrait of a stranger, date unknown, often signed in a corner by my father. This poem encapsulates the sense of alienation and identity crisis that often accompanies immigrant life, highlighting how Ramanujan's work delves into the psychological aspects of identity formation. Another significant poem, Obituary, offers a poignant reflection on family and the passage of time. Father, when he passed on, left dust on a table of papers, left debt and daughters, a bewildering grandson named by the toss of a coin after him, a house that learned slowly through our growing years on a bent coconut tree in the yard. In A River, Ramanujan contrasts the poetic romanticism of nature with the harsh realities of life, particularly in the context of a flood. In Madurai, city of temples and poets, who sang of cities and temples, every summer a river dries into a trickle in the sand, bearing the sand ribs, straw and women's hair, clogging the water gates at the rusty bars, under the bridges with patches of repair all over them, the wet stones glistening like sleepy crocodiles, the dry ones, shaven water buffaloes lounging in the sun. Translation and folklore studies. In addition to his poetry, Ramanujan made significant contributions to the translation of classical Tamil and Kannada literature into English. His translations, such as Speaking of Shiva, 1973, and Hymns for the Drowning, 1981, brought the richness of South Indian literary traditions to a global audience. His work in this area is highly regarded for its accuracy, sensitivity, and ability to convey the cultural and emotional nuances of the original texts. Ramanujan was also a pioneering figure in Indian folklore studies. His essays, such as Is There an Indian Way of Thinking?, explored the context-sensitive nature of Indian thought, offering insights into the cultural and religious influences that shape Indian society. His interdisciplinary approach, combining linguistics, cultural studies, and folklore, has had a lasting impact on these fields. Legacy and recognition. Ramanujan's contributions to literature and scholarship have earned him numerous accolades. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1976, one of India's highest civilian honors, and the MacArthur Fellowship in 1983. In 1999, 6 years after his death, he was posthumously awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award for his collected poems. His legacy continues to influence and inspire writers, scholars, and students across the world. The A.K. Ramanujan Book Prize for Translation, awarded by the South Asia Council of the Association for Asian Studies, honors his contributions to the field of translation. Conclusion. A.K. Ramanujan's life and work stand as a testament to the power of cultural synthesis and the importance of bridging different literary and intellectual traditions. His poetry, translations, and scholarly writings have left an indelible mark on both Indian and global literature. As a poet, translator, and scholar, Ramanujan was able to weave together the threads of his Indian heritage and Western education, creating a body of work that is rich in meaning, complexity, and cultural resonance. His contributions continue to be celebrated and studied, ensuring that his influence will endure for generations to come. So this was the discussion on the life and works of A.K. Ramanujan. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other author. Until then, goodbye and thank you.